Hello, this is the Amazing Papa. I have a new power cord. I'm going to get another one, and I've got some other stuff in the works coming for my amplifier setup for my Emotiva stuff. Just wanted to show this. You can find a little bit about my thoughts on my blog at www.amazingpapa.com. Anyway, the first thing that's very noticeable is the difference in size between these two. Now, that's a power cord to this conditioner that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outlets. So that should give you an idea of the power difference. Well, the difference in size and etc. Anyway, as stuff comes in, I'll try to do a comparison between the power cord that came with my Emotiva amp and this one, see if there really is a sound difference or not. Highly doubt it on my cheap stuff, but you never know, so we'll give it a shot. Anyway, if you want to see a little more about it, once again, amazingpapa.com. Alright, thanks everyone, thanks for watching.